How to drill through tile. A step-by-step guide to perfectly drilling through tiles. Here are the tools you would need. 1. Safety goggles. This will protect your eyes from dust particles that will be generated while you're working. 2. Face masks. For protecting your nose and your mouth from the dust generated while drilling. 3. Hand gloves. This will keep your hands safe while drilling. 4. Power drill. 5. Drill bits. Get a suitable drill bit. The best for tiles is the diamond tip drill bits. Alternatively, a carbide tip drill could also suffice. Regular twist drill bit can drill into ceramic tiles and other glazed finishing. But all varieties of porcelain tiles and natural granite tiles cannot be drilled using regular twisted drill bits. 6. Masking tape. Masking tape is needed to provide the drill bit with a rough surface area to prevent the drill bit from skidding over the glazed tile surface. 7. A marker or a pencil, depending on the color of the tile. 8. A wet sponge. For supplying water for lubricating the drill bit and a wooden block. 9. Drill guide, optional. An accessory that could be coupled to the drill, to help guide you while drilling. If you got all, then you are ready to start. Step 1. Measure and mark out the point to be drilled. Paste a masking tape of a sizable length over the area you wish to drill. Use a pencil to mark the exact point on the surface of the tile. Attach your drill guide. Step 2. Start drilling. Set your drill on the mark. If you do not have a drill guide, drill a hole into a wooden block. Attach the wooden block over the spot you want to drill and continue the drilling process. Place the drill guide over the surface and begin to drill into the tile. It is normal to want to run at the tile with the highest speed to make the job quicker. This is the easiest way to ruin the entire job. High speeds induce vibrations that could cause the tile to crack. You sure do not want this. Start slowly with minimal pressure on the drill until you drill through the first layer. Once you are in, gradually increase the speed until you drill past the tile. If your wall is made of block, continue with the present drill bit in use. However, if it is made of concrete, switch to a masonry drill bit until you have drilled the hole. If you need to drill more than one hole, repeat the processes mentioned earlier until all the holes are ready. Be conscious of the depth of the hole you wish to drill. Other considerations you should take note of. You will discover that the bit gets frequently heated up. Make sure you rest the drill between the operation. Use this opportunity to pull the bit off the hole, and use the wet foam to supply moisture into the hole by dabbing. The water cools the bit and at the same time helps to reduce the amount of dust generated. Finally, we recommended that you do all your DIY jobs in the safest possible way. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell, so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our site, www.zimdrills.com, for more awesome drilling content like this.